Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. I'm going to just talk about some camping kit I've got. I've got quite a few camping sets and cook sets. I've only got 2 tents at the moment, but I've got all sorts of bits of kit. But my favourite setup is still the Trangia cook set. And this is a Trangia 27.2 with additions. It's a meths or alcohol stove, and I think it's Swedish Army originally or something like that, the design, but this has now been extended, the kit. I've got a larger kettle which is not shown in this video, but I'll show you the additions. And the additions I've got is another top. You don't normally get that. And this bottom, because we've found we need a good saucepan, and this makes a good frying pan. Now this is the actual true 27.2 Trangia set. Now that's how Trangia is spelt if you don't know, and I'll just open it up. So this is the one that comes with it, you know, the frying pan. Excuse the bags, just put these separate for a minute, and then this Trangia pot holder, take that out. This is the base, like part of the windshield arrangement and stand there. And there's a Trangia strap, and then inside is the kettle. As I say, we've replaced that with a larger one when we're out, and then you get 2 bowls which you can use for cooking like that, and this sits on top of there, which folds down, which makes, you know, for your kettle can sit in there, and then you can open these up for bigger pots, or the frying pan which sits on there. Now inside the kettle itself is the stove. Oh, I've got some lighters you don't normally get. There's 2 lighters I've put in here. And I'm just going to put the camera down while I open the stove up. Now this is the stove itself. It comes with a screw cap to keep the mess in, and it has another cap which goes over the top, and that's to extinguish the flame, or it opens like a window sort of thing. This bit opens on the top so you can simmer with it, and the stove sits in the hole there. The only problem is, you know, you've got to carry liquid mess. But we found when this is full, well, full is almost that level it's at now, we can normally get 2 lots of coffee from it and a meal for 2 from 1 filling of mess in this little stove. On a windy day it uses more fuel. On a hot day it uses less, and you have to keep your methylated spirit in a safety container, you know, any additional mess. But what I thought I'd try is the gas conversion, and I'll just go and get that so I can show you what that looks like. Now the gas conversion kit I bought is not made by Trangia. I think it's a copy. And it comes in this little bag, and I'll just empty it out, and it's a very, very simple arrangement. It replaces that. So what you do is you take the 2 sections apart, just turn it around, you feed that in the middle. So I'm trying to do this single-handed, so apologies. feed the gas valve through there. There's a hole already in it. Like that. And you put that on the top. And you light it in a similar way. And you've got, this goes onto your gas bottle, which is on the outside. Yeah, and you've got a tap to turn it on, and you can regulate it. And it runs on these little camping bottles. And I'll show you those in the next video snippet. I've talked about the Trangia stove and the changing it over to gas with a gas conversion, and the reason for that is this. These are all gas canisters for camping, and I've refilled a lot of these. I've got a device which I can refill them. Yes, there is some tins of paint in here as well, but you can see how many gas canisters I've got, and I keep these well away from the house. There's also lighter fuel there, there's also nests, there's also these tablets you can use for files. Oh, there's a couple of tins of paint in here, but apart from that, they're all gas cylinders. So this should keep me going for at least a couple of years, I think, with the amount of camping I do. Okay, so before I say please subscribe and like, I'd just like to show you another piece of kit that is available for the Trangia, the mess version. Take this off, and it's this bit of kit, and you can use it in two ways. You can use this on the mess one by putting that on the top that way, and then you can put your kettle on the top, or you can put it on the inside. It will go inside, just because I've bent it as the time being, and then you put your pot on that way. And these you can buy quite cheaply now, or sometimes when you order one of these you get one of these free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.